Today we will make eggless orange brownie with orange marmalade. I have already shared its recipe on my channel. Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Cocoa. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. So let's get baking. In a bowl, take 58 gram butter, add 100 gram of dark chocolate chop. You can also use chips. Add 12 gram of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coffee powder. It enhances chocolate flavor. Melt it in a microwave in a 15 to 30 second burst. In another bowl, take yogurt, add 38 gram of caster sugar and brown sugar each. Mix it using a whisk until all the sugar gets dissolved. This will help in getting the crackling effect top on brownie. Add half teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix. Add this to the melted chocolate butter mixture and mix everything together. Now add 45 grams of flour, add a pinch of salt and mix. I am using whole wheat flour. You can also use all-purpose flour. Fold the flour in until none is visible. Transfer half of the batter in a square tin and smooth it out. I am using a 5-inch pan. Next, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of orange marmalade. I have already shared its recipe in my channel. You can find it in the description box below. Spread it into a thin layer, keeping half-inch gap on all sides. Then transfer the leftover brownie batter on top and smooth it out. Now I am going to cut some thin orange slices, then cut them into quarter further and remove the seeds. Next, I'll place them over brownies. And bake this in a preheated oven at 170 Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. You can bake your brownie depending on how fudgy or cakey you want them. Please give our video a thumbs up if you have liked it. Subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Also tell me in the comment how did you like the recipe. Once cool down to room temperature, refrigerate for an hour or two before slicing them. Our eggless orange brownie with orange marmalade are ready. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Cocoa.